the heart of Taipei's urban density, nestled beneath the generous canopy of mature street trees, lies a home that has become a quiet sanctuary amid the city's chaos. While these trees offer a serene, cooling atmosphere, they also created a challenge. Much of the garden suffered from inadequate sunlight, leaving vegetation sparse and struggling. Additionally, the home's original circulation forced visitors to walk through the elder residents' private quarters, compromising both comfort and privacy. To address these concerns, Wei International Design Associates reimagined the home's entry system. Two separate entrances were introduced, one maintaining the familiar path for the elder, and the other carved out exclusively for guests. A new floating pathway leads visitors to the secondary entrance through the garden's most shaded area, revitalizing previously underused land and solving the light deficiency that had hindered plant growth. A newly built structural wall was added across the garden, subtly dividing it into two distinct zones. This intervention does more than define space. It creates a quiet, private green view from the interior while guiding guests gently toward the entrance. What was once a problematic outdoor corner now becomes an intentional and welcoming approach to the house. Inside, the former guest entrance led only to a disconnected storage room. With careful redesign, this area was transformed into a semi-independent reception zone, clearly separating public and private functions while still allowing fluidity between spaces when necessary. It's a small but meaningful shift that changes how the home functions on a day-to-day basis. Materiality and color choices were guided by the lifestyle of the elder resident. Reclaimed cypress wood, used for the sloped ceiling, brings warmth and memory, evoking the client's past in a military dependence village. Soft Belgian gray paints provide a muted, peaceful atmosphere that respects aging eyes and a calm sensibility, while balancing modern aesthetics with emotional resonance. A major challenge within the main interior was a fixed T-shaped structural beam, which visually compressed the ceiling height. Instead of hiding it, the architects used it as a base to create a geometric grid structure, reminiscent of the Chinese character Tan, meaning field. Within this grid, a sloped ceiling was introduced, forming a silhouette inspired by traditional pitched roofs. This not only softened the visual weight of the original beam but also became a striking focal element in the space. Ultimately, a new journey residence is more than a renovation. It's a deeply sensitive rethinking of home life. It bridges past and present, function and feeling, tradition and innovation. This project is a prime example of how architecture can honor memory, improve everyday routines, and create beauty through empathy.